You're not going to get anything between the laminate because the laminate is actually sealed. What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. Today I have the new version of VVIVID Tek-R carbon fiber. Now this carbon fiber is the only carbon fiber that's 3D and gloss that's meant for exterior use. You're gonna get durability and the full look of carbon fiber in a gloss format with 3-dimension for your exterior with VVIVID's Tek-R carbon fiber. Now this film comes with a protective cap. It's easy to apply, meaning the tack is fairly low in comparison to the previous generation. It's a little bit more dark, which is nice in that sense where it's gonna show the carbon fiber better than the previous generation. The air release works great, so it's full air release. Like I said, installs really nicely as far as ease of install goes. Now this is a thicker vinyl, so it will generally feel that way when you pick it up and try to use it. It's great for interior trims, it's great for exterior trims, it's great for roof wraps, hood wraps, mirror wraps, door handles, and whatever else your heart desires for gloss carbon fiber used on the exterior, but not only that, also for the interior. If you spill a drink on your interior, you're not gonna get anything between the laminate because the laminate is actually sealed. Wait till I show you guys the comparison between the no-name brands versus this. This is the 6D carbon fiber, no name. This is VVIVID's Tek-R carbon fiber. And we're just gonna let them sit there for a little bit and see what happens. We've let them sit in water overnight. It's been about 24 hours. I'm gonna take them out and we're gonna see what they look like. So let's first remove the no name film and see what happened here. And I'll actually just dry this off a little bit. If you check the edges here, you're gonna see the carbon fiber is a mess. Doesn't look like carbon fiber anymore. That is water between the laminate. Let's take out the other one here, which is VVIVID's Tek-R carbon fiber. Again, we'll dry this off a little bit so we can see what this looks like now. So there's no water or any fluid at all that has gone into the edge. This is a sealed carbon fiber. And again, this is the only carbon fiber on the market that is true 3-dimensional for exterior use. The new generation is much easier to install. It's got a better, deeper, wetter look to it. This is meant to last, and that is the main difference.